Happy Sunday, everybody. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. On Championship Sunday, here's what I'm doing. I'm going to take an hour to set up a job for this week. But in the meantime, I wanted to give a special shout out to a couple people. My man Michael Santos from Connecticut, who's probably shoveling right at this moment. Thanks for tuning in, and tell the missus we got the shout out now. Another special shout out goes to everyone who's watching that's not subscribed. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you tuning in, and I would hope you would consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons. It's going to be a long journey, and as you know, with plumbing, it ain't going nowhere. I want to give a special shout out to my man Lee from California, another licensed plumber who thinks I'm not licensed, but if you take a look in the community room, my man Lee, you're going to see my paperwork. It's not fake neither, which I'm sure you might think. Anyway, it's all good. I like you keeping me on my toes. You have some very valid points. We're aiming to be better every day, Lee. Everyday plumbing. I will see you at the movie theater unloading all this gear. I'm trying to get my apprentices. One's at basketball practice and one's at the frat house. CB2, are you ready? It's 10:45 a.m. on a Sunday, and I think you're ready. You haven't responded to my text, so I'm heading that way to unload the truck and prepare for some football today. And of course, I'm going to address some editing on YouTube. And again, I thank you everybody for tuning in. What are these guys doing today? Sneaking around my neighborhood. With cream cheese and a small coffee cream only.
Toasted with cream cheese and a small hot coffee cream only. Anything else?
That's it.
456.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Little pit stop before I hit the movie theater. Also, no word from CB2. How about I put it in drive? Thank you. In Northfield. Awesome. Thank you. Alright, I'll make a phone call.
Yeah, call them, let me know.
You got it.
Alright.
Surf's up, dude.
I'm ready.
You ready, dude?
To get in the water.
This is Marcy. This is Miss Marcy. She wants to surf.
I'm ready to get in the water. My brain needs it.
Alright, dude. Alright, give me 20 minutes. Looks like I might be surfing. I gotta make a phone call.
Please leave a message and return your call as soon as possible.
Major dings. Looking for a wave report. Miss Marcy at 11 a.m. said the cams look good. I'm landlocked at the moment. Hit me up if you're near. We gotta stay focused on the task at hand, which we're pulling up to right now. Maybe this door's open. I don't know. We'll find out in 1 minute. We got AB showing up ready to practice, so I'm gonna unload the truck, and the boy will be here in a minute, and so will the key to get in. Where's everybody at? Who don't love plumbing on a Sunday? Little prep work. I got the boy here. He's living the dream. Already got the job. Oh, excuse me, loaded. Let's see what he's got to say. Where's mine? I'm good. Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready?
Let's do it.
What's your status?
Godly?
Godly? Alright. Well, there you have it. Did a little pre-gaming for tomorrow's big day on a new job. And with that, I'm going to shut it down. Anyway, happy Sunday to everybody. Have a great day, and see you Monday.